Ah, what a great car. I mean, imagine just the moniker of a 69 GTO, the Judge, right? Says something, especially when you're coming at it with, a frame that looks like this, control arms that look like this, all suspension, big horsepower, it's gonna be a righteous car. And, to kind of go with that whole program, just replacing everything like we always do with ARP bolts, just show you, man, ARP bolts up here, ARP bolts down here, and the shock. Any fasteners you get, especially when you're upgrading to ARP, matters in the long run. Just popping the hood and seeing these, you're gonna be like, ooh, that extra layer.
Well, they look great, and they're going to be a lot stronger than the original ones.
Now, we told you up front how important it was to use ARP bolts in the suspension because of the strength. The same thing is true for the rear suspension. And a bolt is like a spring that needs to be stretched properly to work like it should and maintain those huge clamp loads, holding everything together. And that's why the ARP bolts and threads are expertly machined in-house after heat treatment to stand up to those toughest conditions.